Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of shopping online at Costco, where you can enjoy bulk savings from the comfort of your home. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to make your online shopping experience easy and efficient. Step 1. Create a Costco account. To start shopping online at Costco, you need to create an account if you don't already have one. Visit Costco's website and click on Sign In at the top right corner. From there, choose Join Costco and complete the necessary information, including your email address and a secure password. You may also be asked to provide some personal details, such as your name and address. Step 2. Explore the website. Once your account is set up, log in and explore the website. Navigate through various categories like groceries, electronics, home goods, and more. Take advantage of the search bar at the top to find specific items you're interested in purchasing. Step 3. Add items to your cart. When you find an item you want to purchase, click on it to view more details, including pricing and bulk options. Adjust the quantity if you wish to buy in bulk, and then click Add to Cart. Don't forget to check if there are any available coupons or discounts on the product page to maximize your savings. Step 4. Review your cart. After adding all desired items to your cart, click on the shopping cart icon in the upper right corner to review your selections. Here you can adjust item quantities, remove products you no longer want, or continue shopping for more items. Step 5. Proceed to checkout. Once you are satisfied with your cart, click Checkout. You will be prompted to confirm your shipping details. If you have a membership, make sure your account is linked to get the best prices. Choose your preferred shipping method, which may include home delivery or curbside pickup at your nearest Costco location. Step 6. Payment information. Next, enter your payment information. Costco accepts various payment methods, including credit cards and debit cards. Review all the information to ensure everything is correct before submitting your order. Step 7. Review and place your order. Finally, review your order summary, including shipping costs and estimated delivery times. If everything looks good, click on Place Order. You will receive a confirmation email shortly thereafter with details about your purchase. Step 8. Track your order. You can track the status of your order by going to your account and selecting Order History. This will give you updates on shipping and expected delivery dates. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy all the amazing bulk savings Costco has to offer without ever leaving your home. Happy shopping! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more shopping tips and savings hacks.